Hello viewers and dear students. In this video I will discuss about term 1 board examination. Here I will discuss about internal marks, external examination, the pattern of external examination, all these as per the circular issued by CBSE on special scheme of assessment for board examination for classes 10 and 12 for the session 2021-22. I will also discuss about the topics which are included and deleted for term 1 board examination for the course Applied Mathematics. Now coming to the circular issued by CBSE on special scheme of assessment for board examination classes 10 and 12. So here the academic session will be divided into two terms with approximately 50% syllabus in each term, and the syllabus for the board examination 2021-22 will be rationalized. Now coming to the internal assessment. So for classes 11 and 12, the internal assessment would include end of topic or unit test, exploratory activities, practicals or projects. Now coming to the term 1 examinations. The board will organize term 1 examination in a flexible schedule to be conducted between November-December 2021. Dates for conduct of examinations will be notified subsequently. So the term 1 examination will be conducted during November-December 2021. Now coming to the question paper pattern. The question paper will have multiple choice questions including case-based MCQs and MCQs on assertion reasoning type. So the pattern for the question paper will have MCQs which includes case-based and assertion reason type MCQs. Now coming to the duration. Duration of the test will be 90 minutes and it will cover only the rationalized syllabus of term 1 only. So only the first term syllabus will be covered for this term 1 examination. That is approximately 50% of the entire syllabus. The responses of students will be captured on OMR sheets. So the responses will be captured on OMR sheets which after scanning may be directly uploaded at CBSE portal or alternately may be evaluated and marks obtained will be uploaded by the school on the very same day. And the next important thing is marks of the term 1 examination will contribute to the final overall score of the students. So this is like term 1 board examination, and with respect to the schedule, the dates, the duration of exam, the question paper pattern, the syllabus, all these important things, how the responses will be recorded, all these are given here. Now as far as the internal assessment for the course Applied Mathematics is concerned, it is given in the term-wise syllabus. The weightage of internal assessment may be as under. So for term 1, the area and the weightage is only project. So as far as the assessment area is concerned, we have the project work and record. The allocated marks is 5. Term and presentation plus viva of the project allocated marks is 5. So the total allocated marks is 10. Also they have given the list of suggested projects is given in the end. So if we refer the term-wise syllabus released by CBSE for Applied Mathematics, the list of suggested projects is given in the end. The assessment plan, the first term assessment of the course is out of 50 marks. The assessment plan consists of an external exam and internal assessment. There will be an end term external exam of 40 marks. The weightage of internal assessment is 10 marks and it consists of a project work. teachers may choose a project from the suggested list. So this is the assessment plan for the first term for the course Applied Mathematics. Now let us see the syllabus and the topics. So this is the syllabus for term 1. The various units are: first unit numbers, quantification and numerical application, second unit algebra, third unit calculus. In third unit calculus only differentiation and its application is there. Then the fourth unit probability distribution, sixth unit index numbers and time based series. So if we take the first unit, the marks is 9. So for the first unit we have all the topics except these 2 topics. So these are the deleted portions in first unit: simple arithmetic functions and scheduling. Then the second unit algebra, the marks allocated is 10. The entire unit is there. In this second unit, the deleted portion is inverse of a matrix using elementary row operations. Then coming to the third unit calculus, as I already said, the marks allocated is 6, and these 6 marks will be from differentiation and its applications. Under this major topic, differentiation and its applications, the deleted portion is rate of change of quantities such as area and volume with respect to time and its dimension. Then we have the fourth unit probability distribution. The allocation of marks is 10. Here the full unit is there. No topic is removed. Then the sixth unit index numbers and time based series. The allocated marks is 5. Now these 5 marks will be from the topics index numbers, construction of index numbers, test of adequacy of index numbers. In this, the part which is removed is test of adequacy of index numbers by applying unit test. Only this topic is removed. All the other remaining 3 topics are included in term 1 in the 6th unit. So all these add up to 40 marks. The duration of the exam will be for 90 minutes. Maximum marks is 40. As I already mentioned in the while discussing about the circular, these maximum marks 40, it will be MCQs, multiple choice questions. These multiple choice questions includes MCQs from assertion reasoning type and case based MCQs. I have made videos on all the topics of Unit 1, 2 and Unit 3 differentiation and its applications. The links for all these are available in the description. Now coming to Unit 4 probability distribution, I'll be starting with Unit 4 probability distribution using the student support material uploaded by CBSE. I wish all the students all the best. I'm sure all the students will do well in this exam. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.